Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, it will be a very short video for some of you that have a Mercedes C-Class, guys, W204. Okay, the generation from 2008 to 2015, and you're trying, guys, to find the front airbag sensors. Okay, let me just show you which car it is, because it's kind of hard to imagine because everything's taken apart on the front. Okay, this body style right here, guys. If you have a code that relates to it, if it's been crashed, you're wondering where the airbag sensors are on the front, we have the side airbag sensor video on our channel as well. So once you remove the bumper cover, okay, one of them, guys, okay, it's right here. Okay, this is one of the airbag sensor, and this is the wire for it, yellow wire. On the other side, it's the same location for this one as well. Okay, you can see it just has a 10mm bolt, okay, holding the sensor right there. So just a short 1 minute video, guys, if you're trying to see where they are before we start taking things apart. Hopefully it was helpful. Please subscribe. We'll have probably about 200 videos on that car. See you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.